Hello there, this is Deepika from wisdomaria.com. In this video, I am going to talk about two hostings managed and unmanaged dedicated hosting packages. Choosing a dedicated server hosting service might be intimidating and confusing, I understand. And I'd want to allay any fears or worries you may have. I'm here to assist you in finding the best hosting option for your company and website. Further are answers to some of the most commonly asked questions related to a tool's dedicated hosting. Here my main motive is to clarify some questions which people generally ask, like what do a two hosting dedicated plans include? What are the pros and cons of their managed and unmanaged dedicated plans? What do their performance tests says? When to use A2's dedicated hosting? What their customers are mumbling about on the internet, etc. Before moving further, let me inform you that all facts, proofs, and offers that you will see in this video may vary time after time. So, for latest updates, visit wisdomaria.com. Now, just relax and sit back. Let me have your assistance and enjoy the video. So, what do their managed and unmanaged dedicated hosting plan includes? Monthly, 12 and 24-month plans are available from A2 Hosting dedicated plans. The pricing listed on our website is for a 24-month plan. You will be asked to pay the entire sum in advance, and longer the contract you choose, less expensive it becomes, but not as much discounted as A2's VPS hosting and shared hosting plans. A2 Hosting provides both managed and unmanaged plans, and with A2 Hosting's dedicated unmanaged plans, there are total 7 packages among those you can choose, where all plans includes 1 terabyte to 4 terabits local backup drive, 1 free dedicated IP address, root access, by that you can edit, install and configure files on your server, free SSD speed booster, single server location of USA, Michigan, 10 gigabits per second redundant network, enterprise-grade HDDs, compatible Cloudflare CDN, free Webuzo one-click installation, SSH access, boot shutdown and reboot, and full network control, reinforced DDoS protection used for high-scale capacity, and instant attack detection and instant mitigation, 24 hours network monitoring, Linux OS options, one-click software setup, WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Nginx, Node.js, MongoDB. Hyper-1, their most basic package, gives awesome resources of 16 gigabytes DDR4 ECC, upgradable up to 32 gigabytes DDR4 ECC, RAM, and Intel Xeon E22244 4.6 GHz turbo CPU with 4 cores and 4 threads, 2 terabits RAID 1 SSD storage. Additional option available from 1 terabyte to 6 terabits, 6 terabits bandwidth, and 8 megabytes CPU cache. Unfortunately, it does not include the Turbo Boost and Turbo NVMe storage, allows up to 3x faster read-write. Hyper to Intel, with Intel Xeon Silver 4210R 2nd Gen 2.4 ZHz CPU, 32 GB DDR4 ECC, upgradable up to 96 GB DDR4 ECC, RAM and 10 cores and 20 threads, 10 terabits bandwidth, 13.75 megabytes CPU cache, and 2 terabits RAID 1 SSD storage. You can also become reseller via additional cPanel accounts availability and WHM access. It is little same as Hyper 1 package, including unavailability of Turbo Boost and Turbo NVMe storage except resources. Now you have access to Turbo Boost and Turbo NVMe storage in Hyper to Turbo Intel with 2 terabits NVMe M.2 RAID 1 SSD storage, 64 GB DDR4 ECC RAM, upgradable up to 96 GB DDR4 ECC, and as same CPU, cores and threads, bandwidth, CPU cache as Hyper to Intel package. Hyper 3 Intel is way more better than previous packages, because it has 1.92 terabyte U.2 RAID 1 SSD storage, twice the Intel Silver CPU processor discussed in Hyper to Turbo Intel plan, 64 GB DDR4 ECC, upgradable up to 192 GB DDR4 ECC, RAM and 20 cores and 40 threads, 15 terabits bandwidth, and same CPU cache. Again, Turbo Boost and Turbo NVMe storage are not included. Hyper 3 Turbo Intel having same features discussed in Hyper 3 Intel like CPU processor, cores and threads, CPU cache and bandwidth except 1.92 terabyte RAID 1 NVMe U.2 SSD storage, 96 GB DDR4 ECC, upgradable up to 192 GB DDR4 ECC, RAM and 2 other turbo features. Next is Hyper 3 AMD with 2x AMD ROM 2nd Gen EPYC 70-50 to 3.2 GHz turbo CPU, 1.92 TB RAID 1 U.2 SSD storage, 64 GB DDR4 ECC, upgradable up to 256 GB DDR4 ECC, RAM and 16 cores and 32 threads, 15 terabits bandwidth, and 64 MB CPU cache without Turbo Boost and Turbo NVMe storage. Last and rich you can get Hyper 3 Turbo AMD including 1.92 TB RAID 1 NVMe U.2 SSD storage, 128 GB DDR4 ECC, upgradable up to 256 GB DDR4 ECC, RAM and 16 cores and 32 threads, 15 terabits bandwidth, and 64 MB CPU cache with Turbo Boost and Turbo NVMe storage. With A2 Hosting's dedicated managed plans has 7 packages named as RAP 1, RAP 2 AMD, RAP 2 Turbo AMD, RAP 2 Intel, RAP 2 Turbo Intel, RAP 3 AMD, and RAP 3 Turbo AMD. All packages includes 1 TB to 4 terabits local backup drive, free SSL certificate, and site migration to free dedicated IP addresses, root access, free OP cache and Memcache, single server location of USA, Michigan, free compatible Cloudflare CDN, HTTP 3 concurrent connection, free mod_page speed setup. HostGuard management includes kernel updates, smart notifier that notifies their team if there is any issue with your server, instant server activation, seamless package updates, security patches, control panel updates and patches, perpetual security, reinforced DDoS protection, 24/7 network monitoring, 10 gigabits per second redundant network, free Patchman enhanced security tool, virus scan, dual firewall, brute force defense, cPanel license, WHM access, developer features including all PHP versions, MariaDB database, Apache 2.4. PostgreSQL 9.6, Ruby 1.8, Python 2.6 to 2.7 or 3.2, PRL 5.x, pre-installed admin, SSH access, auto repository deployment, secured FTP, Elasticsearch, A2 CDP backup, free enorm domain reseller accounts, Park domain and unlimited websites and subdomains and add-on domains, free unlimited email addresses, spam protection, 15 plus standard WordPress toolkit features, 5 plus e-commerce features, 5 static management softwares, 1-click popular CMS installation and setup. All managed packages resources and CPU features are as same as discussed before dedicated unmanaged plans. For example, RAP 1 is their most basic plan having same resources and CPU features as an unmanaged Hyper 1 package. Unfortunately, deluxe WordPress toolkit features including cloning, staging and 7 more and turbo features like Turbo 20x faster, Turbo Boost plus Turbo Cache, Turbo ESI, and WebSocket proxy. Turbo Lightspeed WebServer up TP 11x faster than Apache. Turbo Lightspeed Cache for CMSs. are only available for RAP 2 Turbo Intel, RAP 2 Turbo AMD, and RAP 3 Turbo AMD. Next, what are the A2 hosting dedicated hosting pros and cons? Let me go through some of its benefits and drawbacks so you know what to anticipate from this well-known hosting company. Pros are speed. A2 hosting is the quickest service. When I tested them, their speed scores have always remained consistent year after year. SSL certificate and site migration managed. A2 hosting provides free and automated SSL certificate for enhanced website security. It's a no-click configuration because certificates are set up automatically with your domain by default. They have an expert migration team dedicated to websites transfers for free. Advanced features, managed. A2 hosting provides a bunch of enhanced security, backup, turbo and CMS features and resources than higher VPS hosting packages. Uptime, its uptime results are excellent. On an average 99.95% and 99.98% was in 2020 and 2021, seems like increasing consistently. Free SSD solid speed booster and Memcache managed. With SSD speed booster your site will really fly. Memcache increases the speed of your MySQL databases by keeping crucial data in memory. Opcache used for PHP acceleration which provides up to 50% faster PHP processing. Domains, Park domain is available with unlimited websites, subdomains and add-on domains. CDN, managed. Free compatible Cloudflare CDN also available for all packages. Next, cons are single server option. A2 hosting only provides only one server location in USA, Michigan, confusion checkout. Even though they aren't as forceful as some other suppliers, their checkout is cluttered with add-ons that you are unlikely to need. High renewal prices, managed. A2 hosting offers lower prices with long-term plans. The renewal pricing is roughly 4x higher than the monthly average price you first paid. Domain name is not free. Managed and unmanaged. A2 hosting doesn't include a free domain name in any of their VPS hosting plans. This is not a very common sight in the hosting industry because most of the hosts we have reviewed offer a free domain name. Next, what are the A2 hosting dedicated features, reviews, and ratings? I use Trustpilot for customer reviews because it provides an awesome source interface for overall reviews. They personally invite customers of different legit websites for getting reviews and ratings. Their poor to excellent bar representation clearly shows the total percentage of positive or negative reviews. Here on assistance and support, Sham Stevens says, I have used A2 hosting for about 6 years for a dedicated server. Like any host, there are tech issues, but the A2 difference is their USA based support team. Everyone I encounter, from chat operator Lola to support specialist Jamie to support supervisor Justin, is friendly, professional, and very responsive. It rarely takes more than a couple of hours to get issues resolved and questions answered. Not only Sham Stevens, there are 60 plus real customer reviews and ratings, and out of them 55 plus reviews are in the favor of A2 hosting. After researching on 16 other features, their customers' average rating is 4.5 out of 5 stars, and personally, I also allotted it 4.5 out of 5 star ratings. Next, what do their performance tests says? One of the most important part of a hosting service, along with assistance, is performance. It's worthless to have cutting-edge technology and features if your hosting provider can't keep up with your website's demands. That's why I put A2 hosting's page load speed and uptime tests. Allow me to demonstrate the findings for page load speed after using tools like Pingdom, webpagetest.org, Gmetrics, and Google's PageSpeed Insights on a website hosted on A2's dedicated server. A2 hostings results were great. It took on an average of 2.30 seconds to load. Another factor that search engines look at is your site's uptime. Projects that rely heavily on their website being available at all times, for example, e-commerce, might be severely hurt by a server that is always down. Your organic rankings may suffer if you don't have a good uptime of 99.95% or greater. Fortunately, A2 Hosting's uptime results are also great. It was 99.95% in 2020 and 99.98% in 2021. Seems improving consistently. For proofs, you can click the link given in the description. Next, when to use A2 Hosting's dedicated server hosting? A2 Hosting's dedicated server is perfect for popular blog or you have a high traffic website, a well-known e-commerce business website, resource-intensive software like CPU intensives or digital animation that is not supported on shared or VPS hosting plans, media-rich website with videos, images, podcasts, or streaming music. If you are running out of disk space and don't want to be hosted on a server with other sites, particularly for security reasons. So what are you waiting for? Check out A2 for 30 days for free with anytime money back guarantee. A2's dedicated server is an excellent hosting solution if you have outgrown shared hosting and on your way to needing more resources and more power than a VPS. Next, do I recommend you A2 Hosting's dedicated hosting? A full dedicated server meaning your audience will experience an ultra level of enhanced website performance and will smoothly enjoy your services and content. However, it does have some limitations, like high renewal price, which may make it unsuitable for those who cannot afford it. Plus, if you are paying for the most expensive plans to host unlimited websites, and they still do not provide free domain name, but those limitations won't affect your website's performance. So the answer is yes, I do recommend, because A2 Hosting gives an awesome opportunity to their customers by their 24th July 365 Guru Crew support, latest technology hardwares, and worry-free extra resources. Trust me, your website will fly in the sky. For several years, A2 Hosting has continuously supplied best-in-class speed. They have also increased server uptime, which is now quite consistent. It is what it is. So what are you waiting for? Click the link given in the description and sign up now with 100% 30 days anytime money back guarantee. Don't worry, you can cancel it anytime. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. This is Deepika from wisdomaria.com. Over and out.